buy some food. So let's go.
Now we are here in Miabita with my friends. This is your wallet. It's open. We are waiting for someone. We are just waiting for someone and now I'm going to Lloyd's house. Bye-bye. So guys, we are already here in Lloyd's house because we started projects for politics. So I will update you more later. So yeah, bye-bye.
So guys, now we are already here in Sir Jory's office because we are some making projects for Earth and Life Science. So we are already done and we are preparing for, we are going home and I will update you pag nasa bahay na ako. So let's go.
So guys, now we are here in school because we are helping Sir Escriba for general cleaning for our room, classroom. So, no sir.
So guys, now we are doing something because now is share a lunch. First ever share a lunch with Vincent. And
ay, Brian, paabot ng tubig. Ni Grill, ayan. Oo nga, pre, pag nag-iimis na ako.
yung pre, dito mo nakalagay.
Brian, yung tubig.
Guys, we are now starting the I will want that the
Guys, I'm already at home and I'm so tired because maraming ginagawa sa school. So, yun. I will vlog tomorrow and see you tomorrow. So, let's go. Bye guys.
Hi guys, so we are now on our way to SM Lipa.
Okay, panggitin mo ba yung narinig
SM Lipa and I will
Yeah. Sige, pakyat lang sa vlog ni Piolo.
I will update you kapag nandun namin. So now guys, we are here in SM Lipa and we are here in artwork because my friend is buying a wallet. And yun.
Ano mo bili?
And so as you can see,
Sama-sama lang sa vlog ni Piolo, pero kinakabahan na talaga ako.
so I will update you kapag may ganap na mamaya. So let's go.
Hey guys, I'm just got home and it's raining outside. It's no classes tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.
Ay, papatong na. Kanta ganun. Parang kanta. Yung ipapatong. Hindi, boses niya. I'm just got home and time check it's 6:30. And I'm so tired because nag-practice kami na maghapon and yun po. I will update you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
So guys, as you can see, I'm here at my barber shop. I'm not filming because
So as you can see, I'm here at my barber shop and with my friends and classmates. So I'm sure.
So guys, now we are here in Mang Inasal with my friends and we are eating and I will update you later. Hi guys, this is the end of my vlog. So thank you so much for watching. So bye bye.